All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit cards to get rewards back. All kinds of good stuff. Get rewards back in Bitcoin. All kinds of good stuff. Well, today we're going to be talking about Ethereum, one of my favorite coins. By the way, we always talk about mining the coin. You could be mining Ethereum. You could still have time to mine Ethereum. There's good money to make in mining Ethereum. Also, going to talk about the discount on Black Friday that El Salvador bought more Bitcoin on Black Friday at a 20% discount. So I got an article on that. El Salvador's loading up on Bitcoin. Did you get your chance to load up on the different cryptocurrencies? We were talking about all these cryptocurrencies being down 10, 15, 20%. Well, El Salvador took they didn't probably hear me, but they did exactly what I was talking about. Now remember, all our information is for educational purposes only. Also, the coronavirus, well, a couple days ago, the stock market, cryptocurrency, all kinds of things are down, and they're kind of tying it could be tied to the coronavirus, the new variant. So we got a lot of things to talk about today. This is a bonus video here on Saturday, bringing it to you at 7 o'clock. So buckle in, let's have some fun. Don't forget to hit the like button. Hit the subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help every single person learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, be able to sit at the kitchen table Thanksgiving and Christmas and talk with your aunt and uncle about cryptocurrency and know what you're talking about. All kinds of good stuff. With that, let's go over to one of our favorite tokens, cryptocurrency, Ethereum. All right, over here at CoinMarketCap, number 2 all the time, Ethereum. Being traded at $41.55. It's down slightly, about 2% in the last 7 days, and it's up 1.42%. I remember months and months and months ago, 5-6 months ago, that this coin was $1,600 to $1,800. Over here in Robinhood, looking at Ethereum at $41.55. Here's what I'm talking about. 3 months ago, this coin was at $2,700. Well, let's go back a year ago. Right here in March, it was $1,500, $1,539 March. Let's go over here to April, $2,300. Also, down here in July. Do you remember July in the summertime? Ethereum was $1,800. Take a look at this. $1,800 July, August, September, October, November. It's only been 120 days. Ethereum was $1,800. And what is it today? $41.54. In the last 120 days, Ethereum has jumped off the charts, skyrocketed. Everybody's comfortable with them being at $4,100, but I just want to point out that 3-4 months ago, that this coin was $1,800. So Ethereum's one of our favorites. Clicking it over here to the right, it's up 1.73%, traded at $41.60. They talk about this coin going to $10,000. They talk about this coin going to $25,000. They talk about this coin going to $50,000. They talk about it being bigger than Bitcoin. Give us your thoughts in the bottom. Will Ethereum one day take over Bitcoin? I don't know, but you see that it's just not going away anytime soon. So taking a look at the charts here, it's kind of the normal roller coaster. It goes down slightly, and then it goes up slightly, and it goes down slightly, and it goes up slightly. But in the last 120 days, 1,800 to 4,200, it's been up, 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 everybody. Ethereum's one of our favorite tokens. The other thing about Ethereum, every single big name, everybody always says, oh, I have Bitcoin and Ethereum. Bitcoin's my number 1 position, and Ethereum's my number 2, or Ethereum's my number 1 position. Every big person. Mark Cuban, Mr. Wonderful, every single person you talk to when you hear them, they're all into Ethereum. So Ethereum's a very safe bet. I like it a lot. What's my prediction on this coin? I think it's just going to keep going up and up and up. Will it double like it did in the last 120 days? I don't know about that. Give us your thoughts in the bottom. But I think it is going to hit 5,000. I think it is going to hit 6,000 by the end of the first quarter of next year. Again, all of our information is for educational purposes only. But Ethereum is on the up, up, up. All right, just wanted to talk about this for a second. Cryptocurrency tumbles as coronavirus variant shakes the market. This is a day or two ago. But guess what? Coronavirus isn't going away anytime soon, and everybody. If this just shook the market a day or two, this could shake the market over the next few months. It says November 26, Bitcoin tumbled 9%. I mean, that's a pretty big tumble, and it's all based on the coronavirus. Okay. Bitcoin's 13-year lifespan is extremely volatile, was tracked for the biggest one-day drop since September 20th. It has slumped more than a fifth since hitting a record high of 70,000 earlier this month. I mean, 70,000 earlier this month, and now the coronavirus. Then it talked right here that Ethereum that we're talking about today went all the way down to 39.24. So Ethereum almost dropped 20% compared to its November 10th high. So Ethereum was down slightly. It bounced back a little bit. I mean, right now it's back at 41.42. You know, again, more stuff about coronavirus. The Dow tumbles 900 points for the worst day of the year. Fears of the new COVID variant. The S&P drops 2%. So again, the coronavirus has got everybody. 905 points drop by the Dow, 2.53%. It was the worst day in the history of the year. Take a look at this. The worst day of the year, November 26th, 2.53% in the normal stock market. All right, heading back over to Ethereum. Over here on Ethereum's website, welcome to Ethereum. Ethereum is a community-run technology powered by the crypto Ethereum and thousands of decentralized applications. So get started, ethereum.org. It's our portal into the world of Ethereum. The new tech is new and ever evolving. It helps to have a guide. Here's what we recommend you do if you want to dive in. One, pick a wallet. If you click it, wallets have lots of options, features, what might like. So choose your wallet based on the features you want. Buy crypto with a card, explore the dApps, access DeFi, withdrawal to bank, all kinds of good stuff using Ethereum. Get ETH. ETH is currency of Ethereum. You can use it in applications. So you want to get some Ethereum. Where can you get it? You can buy it on Binance. You can buy it on Robinhood. There's so many platforms that you get Ethereum. Ethereum's a very easy one where you can get. Also, you can mine Ethereum. There's people that mine Ethereum. They make $20 a day, $50 a day, $100 a day, $300 a day of mining Ethereum. So you can also mine Ethereum. Use a dApp. dApps are applications powered by Ethereum. See what you can do. Start building. If you want to start coding with Ethereum, we have documentations, tutorials, and more on our development portal. What is Ethereum? Other than it being the #2 cryptocurrency in the world all the time, right there behind Bitcoin, and some people think it's going to pass Bitcoin. Ethereum is technology that's the home to digital money, global payments, and applications. The community has been built on a booming digital economy, bold new ways to create, earn online, so much, much more to open to everyone. Wherever you are in the world, all you need is the internet. A fairer financial system. Today, billions of people can't open bank accounts. Others have their payments blocked. Ethereum decentralized finance, DeFi systems never sleeps or discriminates. With just an internet connection, you can send, receive, borrow, earn interest, and even stream funds anywhere in the world. So Ethereum could be one of your tickets if you're looking for another way to have a fairer financial system. The Internet of Assets. Ethereum isn't just a digital money. Anything you can own can represent traded to be put on a non-fungible token. You can tokenize your art, get royalties automatically every time it's resold, or you can use tokens for something you own or take out a loan. Possibilities are growing all the time. And it's also an open internet. Obviously, Ethereum has its own Twitter account. You can go to the Twitter, check out everything on Ethereum. All right, before you jump over to El Salvador and talk about its discount on Black Friday, buying more Bitcoin, El Salvador keeps loading up on Bitcoin. Let's do this last little part of Ethereum. So Ethereum news. Ethereum launched on the summer of 2015 with aiming to expand the new cases of the blockchain and cryptocurrency to encompass all matters of decentralized applications beyond Bitcoin interscope. From permissionless financial services to crowdfunding to new organizational structures, Ethereum was envisioned as a global computer. This would allow developers to publish and execute apps powered by the smart contracts, programmable scripts that facilitate the flow of digital assets. Ethereum's native cryptocurrency, ETH, not only provides an incentive structure similar to Bitcoin in securing and maintaining networks, but it's also used as gas to run transactions through smart contracts. Now, a lot of times you hear about the gas fees on Ethereum being so high, and people are complaining about the fees being high, and everybody's always trying to be an Ethereum killer and have lower fees. Well, that's one of the features that Ethereum has with the smart contracts, that it has the gas fees. To run transactions through smart contracts, this functions as a secure measure to protect the network from ineffective codes and attack by malicious actors. All right, so all kinds of good news with Ethereum. Take a look over here. El Salvador celebrates Black Friday by buying 100 Bitcoins for 20% off. Yeah, take a look at El Salvador holding his little Bitcoin there. El Salvador celebrates Black Friday. It buys 100 Bitcoins for 20% off. With an additional 100 coins today, El Salvador holds 1,220 Bitcoins worth roughly 66 million following the crypto assets drop of 54,000. So these guys have 1,220 Bitcoins. You know, El Salvador's president, he bought the dip again, investing more than 5 million into Bitcoin as the price dropped under 54,000 on Friday. So we were talking about everybody. I went through the list of all the different coins that were down 10%, 5%, 15%, 20%, 15%. Well, El Salvador, they were looking at the same list and they're like, let's buy Bitcoin. Let's buy 100 more. So, hey, everybody, did you get your shot? Did you get your discount on cryptocurrency? El Salvador cashed in. You know, it said Bitcoin has fallen more than 20%, so they were buying the dip. And there was an 8% drop in the last 24 hours. You know, here it is again. El Salvador just bought the dip. An extra 100 coins acquired with a discount. So El Salvador is buying on discounts. So, hey, everybody. Again, don't forget to click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Ethereum, one of our favorite coins. You can mine this coin. Again, 120 days ago was 1,800. Now the coin's at 4,100. This is the coin you hear that one day will maybe pass Bitcoin. We'll have to see. But it's always right there in second. There's all kinds of coins trying to catch Ethereum. One of our favorite coins for sure. Mining the coin too. So don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. Monday through Friday, we bring you a video every single day at 1 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Saturdays and Sundays around 3 to 4 o'clock. This is a bonus video here on Saturday at 7 o'clock at night. Let's all have a fantastic holiday week. Saturday, tomorrow's football. You know Tom Brady's going to be pumping the cryptocurrency. Have a fantastic Saturday, everybody. Ethereum going to the moon.